Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss the difference in years between two dates. So let's say there's one date which is in 2020 and the other date is in 2013. So essentially we want to get a value of 7, which is the number of years difference between the two dates. So let's start. So I've already got this file open here with me. I've also left a link to this file in the video notes. You can download the file, and then all you need to do is create one new column called today's date, and all this does is this today's date contains, so let's just click on this one. So just use the today function to get today's date, and now you can see I've got the due date and the ship date. And let's say I want to find the difference between the ship date and today's date. Just a random example, maybe you have better use cases. So what you essentially do is we'll just go here and so click on new column, and then I can say difference in years is equal to date diff, and then I can say ship date, and then I can say today's date, and then, or I could have used today's, so I can use this function, but I've already created it, so we'll just go with this, and then I can select what difference I want. So now at the moment I want year, and there are multiple options. So if I hit enter, you can see now, giving it a bit of time to calculate, and you can see here that it's giving us the difference in dates, and you can see we've got 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I filter it to 9, it will give us 2011 dates, all the data. So essentially in this video we've learned how to find the year difference between any given dates, and then you've got the DAX function which you can use for more reference. So you can give seconds, minutes, hours, day, week, month and quarter as well to find the difference. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.